na lang. What are you?
Unicorn.
Where are we going today?
Camping at Arrowhead.
Who's gonna be there?
My friends, Ate Elma, Kuya Zach, Kuya Ezra, Kuya Mo, Kuya Z, Ate Tina, Ate Pat, and that's all.
Hey! Kung ilang beses na natin.
Hello!
Hello! So, ngayon ay first week ng July.
2024.
And we're going camping again. This is gonna be our second camping for
2024.
2024.
So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Arrowhead Provincial Park. And malapit siya sa Muskoka.
Sa Huntsville, Ontario.
Yes.
Yung drive niya, total mga 2 hours, 20 minutes galing sa bahay namin. We've been driving for a while. Siguro mga 30 minutes na rin. Meron pa kaming mga 1 hour 45. So, haba-haba pa to. Tulog na yung isa dyan. Pero yung malaki, hindi pa.
Yung Arrowhead, according sa mga nabasa namin, wala siyang beach. Unlike dun sa Sandbanks. Pero, marami siyang sightseeing. May trail din siya.
Marami
Trails,
yeah.
Marami trail.
May nakita ko may Big Bend. Siya lang tinatawag. Parang ano siya, island na paliit ng paliit kasi nag-erode yung lupa. Tapos meron lang parang view deck. Doon ka lang kasi bawal ka bumaba. Try namin puntahan.
Excited kami doon.
Makita niyo yun dito. What else? I hope you enjoy watching our faces. So, nandito kami sa Highway 11 ngayon. Sa Muskoka na to. Kakabasa lang namin ng check-in info. Sabi doon,
check-in upon arrival is not required.
Ibig sabihin nun, pwede kami dumiretso na sa camp. Wala nang kailangang ilagay na papel sa sasakyan at sa campsite. Yun lang, meron pa kaming 40 minutes papunta dun sa campsite. Let's go! Woo!
Let's go! Ate, say hi!
We're here!
We're here!
Suot ko na yung camping hat ko.
Parang tinting hat lang.
Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo papunta eh.
Ako din eh, walang sign eh.
Sige lang? Oh, I think this is the Big Bend.
Sa'yo.
It's not amazing, that's gross.
Oh wow, you understood the words.
Hingihina ako, pambira.
Ang ganda ng view, Daddy.
Love you.
Love you. Yan,
Oh, may
sinasabi
Lovely
ko.
Beach.
Meron ba lang beach?
I think we should sell Aries to the zoo.
Oh, no.
Wala tayong signal, mami. Kala ko ba pag bell may signal?
Ate,
69 to
677 tayo, boy.
Ay, mali pala.
Mali. May bata, oh. Lapit na, Daddy. Nandito na tayo.
Hey, malapit na. Ang dami nating mga kapitbahay. 77.
Dito kami.
We're here.
Tapos,
Hindi ako Boy Scout eh. Girl Scout kami.
ka siguro.
Tayo lang ang castaway.
Eh, ganito.
Nasaan ba tayo?
Nandito.
A little bit.
Beach sa Dagupan. Sudden,
Pwedeng, wala ako doon. Hindi pwede.
It's not
Not okay.
It's not okay. I'm not there. It's not okay that I'm not there. It will not work if I'm not there.
Tayo maglabasan na.
This is right. And this is left. Okay? This is right. And this is right. No, left.
Jack, you are such a bad influence.
Let me assault him.
Say hi.
Stop.
Who's the killer?
Ghost.
Hanggang anong oras ba tayo pwede mag-ingay?
Hindi ko alam, kuya eh.
It's a unicorn mix cereal. It's
Oh.
for mythical animals.
Wow.
Cereal.
Okay.
I put something.
Hello, Aries. Are you sleepy?
Good night, lights out.
Rinig niyo ba? Yung tunog ng ulan. Ano yun? Good morning. Mga 8 AM na. Medyo malamig. 18 degrees. Pero hindi kasing lamig nung last time. So, mas okay siya. Umulan kagabi. Ambon pala. So, yan. Tulog pa sila. Let's see what's gonna happen today.
Mag-retire si Boss. Yung YouTube channel ko ha, subscribe kayo ha.
Ay, sorry.
Wow, ha? Wow!
Narinig mo ako, Jervik? Nagigit ng tubig.
Kaya gising ko lang rin, kuya. Sarap ng tulog, oh. Ko po kasi yung maliit. Dinala ko na lang ng pagkain sa sabi.
Pag kunwari, di alam.
Video.
I want to go to Emma later.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's gonna be a rainy day. Hanggang alas 3 daw ng hapon uulan eh. We'll see kung anong pwede natin gawin. Pero malamang tambay at kain lang. Hindi ko alam mo, makapaglakad tayo. Baka mamaya, mga 4 PM, makapag-trail
I don't
tayo.
like that.
Tulog po rin yung malito. Let's do a campsite tour. That's Subi. That's our play tent para sa mga bata. The hope is hindi sila magtatalon sa tent namin talaga. So every campsite merong table na ganyan, provision para sa bonfire, fire pit yan, no? That's our tent. Meron siyang trapal kasi umuulan. So para extra protection lang nilagyan namin ng ganyan. Pasok tayo.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Let's do a tent tour. Oh, Savi's missing? I think I know where she is. Oh.
Camouflaging.
So makikita nyo po, pagkapasok nyo pa lang, may dalawang kama na. At isang baby. De joke lang. Dito tayo sa kabila. On the right side, makikita nyo ang aming entertainment showcase. Meron kaming iPad na nakasabit. Nakakonect lang siya sa isang speaker sa taas. So, yan. Dito siya nagagaling. Makita nyo rin po yung aming potty. Siyempre, hindi kami gumagamit niyan. Si Sabi lang, malayo yung CR paggabi. Pag naihi siya, dyan na siya iihi. Diba? Yung mga beans namin, nalalagyan ng lahat ng gamit namin. Para kapag umuwi kami, lalagay lang namin dyan yung mga gamit namin. Sasakay sa sasakyan. Boom! We're out of here. Ano pa? Ito yung aming baby. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Nakita nyo po yung lights namin. USB light po yan. Papunta dito sa may isa naming power supply. Tapos, sinusupplyan niya rin yung nasa kabila naming ilaw. Tada! Pero ito pa rin ang ilaw ng tahanan.
By focus na.
Meron kaming mga sleeping bags at self-inflating pillows. Yeah, mahirap daw tulugan pero what can you do?
Bago lang.
We're at camp. Davi has a unicorn sleeping mat. And lastly, ang aming electric fan na disabit. Magaling to. Pag binuksan mong ganyan, oh. Lanig yung hangin. Malakas yan. Umiikot pa yan. Pag pinindot ko to. Tingnan nyo. Pero yung hawakan nyo umiikot. Joke lang. Ikot naman siya. Nakasabit lang kasi siya. And we have our friends, Ducky and sino isa? Pinky Fluff. And that's it. That's our tent. Are you excited for today?
Yes.
Yan ang heroes ng camping.
Yan, behind the scene.
Yun behind the scenes. Yung mga naguhugas.
Esther, basahin mo na, huwag mo na ibaba.
Banana Q ni Bossing. Talagang pag natikman nyo ito, makakalimutan nyo si Bossing.
Cooking banana Q for everybody. To make them happy, that's what they are saying. And also waking up in the morning, relax, making breakfast, having breakfast.
Yung magkita-kita, pag nagsiset up ng tent, kahit gabi na, everyone's helping, yung sleeping time, and then waking up. That's the best.
Kainan, lalo na ang banana Q ni Bossing.
Swimming.
Moment with the kids.
Beach.
No, yung anticipation na parating yung camp. I don't know, it's just I feel like pag get away ka sa iyong trabaho after a week.
Views na hindi ko nakita sa Pilipinas. Dito ko lang yan naramdaman.
Paggising mo sa umaga, tsaka magbe-breakfast ka, yun.
To play video games.
Actually, everything. Especially when we are eating together and doing the walking. What do you call that? Hiking, yeah, trailing. And like this together with the family.
Breakfast. Easiest part to do the cooking, right? At the end of the day, I enjoy cooking because all of my brethren are enjoying the food.
This part, swimming.
Ito ang pinakaayaw ko na part ng camping. Pagising ng umaga, after ng first night na dating natin. Yung magkakapila ng kwentuhan.
Maybe like my friends and the hiking and places.
Yung chill lang, yung tahimik lang. Ang kailangan natin.
When I was playing with them.
Friendship, family, cooking, kids, nature.
Pagkain. Kasi masarap sila luto eh.
Swimming. Being with my friends.
Yung travel, papunta pa lang dito. I forget everything. Yung nakapag-unwind ka. Hindi ako nag-check ng mga email. I like the place, the food and everything. So,
Pagtatayo ng tent talaga. Lang akong guluhin ng misis ko pero pag tumutulong siya, nag-enjoy talaga ako.
kainan, kain ng breakfast na unlimited, kain ng lunch, snacks, bilo-bilo at banana Q ni Bossing. Hindi pa kami na tunawan, may pagkain na naman.
Alam mo kami mag-asawa, hindi talaga naiiwasan every time. Before going inside the car, nag-aaway. Pag nakarating na, kasi it's a long drive no, tahimik. Tapos pag nakalabas na, ayun na, mag-change na yung mood. Parang happy na, parang nakalimutan na lahat. And with the kids, you know, we have time together and with the friends. And especially important is eating time.
Anong paboritong part mo? Hello guys!
Hi!
Pagod ang kuya at ate mo.
And unexpectedly, there's a beach.
Yeah, unexpectedly kasi wala kaming dalang mga damit, sabi, naglublob talaga. So now, it's lunchtime, 12:30, pero dahil nagbasa tong si Savi at naglaro ng buhangin si Airy, ay maliligo muna kami. Okay, let's go. Dito na tayo. CR na maayos dito, may flash yan for sure. Kasi may tubig dito eh. Can I see? That's fair. That's okay.
Let's go inside.